Hi Brixar. This is set number 10014, and today's question that you wanted me to answer is how to put a removable roof on your caboose. And this is what it looks like before the installation. After the installation, it looks like this. It looks like this after you install the removable roof elements. And here are the units that I made. The removable roof unit and the studs that hold it together. And here's how they both go together. Just snap them on like that. And then there you have it. A removable roof for set number 10014, the LEGO My Own Train Caboose. Thanks for watching, Brixar.